G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on this blue beast, which is basically one that I'm stripping to take it to the scrappers. We're pulling all the brake calipers off it at the moment. So over here I actually got a bloke from Panama Central America got in contact with me because I put an ad online to see if anyone wants parts and whatnot, and he ordered a bunch of parts from me, so I'm just in the middle of pulling them off at the moment. So I've got the all complete brake calipers, complete body plastics, booster, a bunch of interior stuff. So pretty much going to spend half a day, pull everything he wants off, get it ready for packaging. At first I couldn't help but maybe think it was a bit of a scam, but he's end up being a top bloke. Everything's paid for, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me, and yeah, we'll pull this caliper off, then we'll pull a bunch of other things off, and then yeah, we'll see how the day goes. So as I said earlier, we're going to pull the re-brakes off. I've already done the fronts. The re-brakes are super easy, so if you have a 99 HB coupe, pretty much if you want to pull the caliper off, it's just these two 12mm slide bolts, undo the hardline nut, and then pull the clip out, literally, and it should swing from the bottom up and then slide the top slide bolt out. So let's see if I'm correct. Alright, so you've just seen me pull the booster out. We've pulled all the brake calipers out, all the body molds, So next on the list is I'm going to go have lunch, then come back. Then we've got a few interior bits to pull out. I went ahead and just pulled out a couple of the interior plastics, such as the rear vision mirror, reading lights and stuff like that, and I've just packaged it all. I'm going to need another tube. So all this stuff's going to Panama Central America. This stuff's meant to be going to New Zealand, but he hasn't paid me yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's the motor sitting there. I've got to time it up and do a bunch of stuff to that. But yeah, so basically I'm just ready. I was going to take the front guards and doors and stuff off. After that, I'm basically just ready to get rid of this shell. It's basically just full of parts and metal. So if you guys do watch my channel and you have one of these and you are chasing parts, let me know, because I'm happy to look after you guys. It's basically all my spare stuff's in there, and then I've got another couple which we're building. All the best stuff is in this one, and then this one is, you don't know about that one yet. But yeah, thank you. Oh, actually, give you a quick look at the old 929. So I'm going to probably try and get the bay and stuff done in the future. But I do miss driving this girl. I didn't really have it on the road for too long before I pulled the motor out, because of the head gasket issue, which turned out to actually be a cracked block. So the motor had to come out anyway. But yeah, this one's just sitting here pretty. I wouldn't mind actually looking after it, like getting some doors for it, and try and stockpiling some parts. So yeah, if you guys have one of these Series 399 wagon, let me know, and I might, if you guys got parts and stuff. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this episode of just me tinkering around, and I'll see you guys at the next one.